Hello, welcome to Corporate Stays. My name is Boris Bloch, and today I'm going to show you how to check in at the Mosaique. Before arriving at the building, we really recommend you to have easy access to all the codes that were given to you in your check-in instructions email. So then, you ready to go in? Let's go! As soon as you arrive here, you just need to open the lockbox. After taking the envelope with your name, ensure the information is correct, such as apartment number and the length of your stay. The key and the fob will be inside the envelope. If you have parking, it will be here as well. And don't forget to keep the key with you during all your stay. As you saw, the fob will be used to enter the main door. Let's go to the apartment. And if you have any questions before or during your stay, we have our executive concierge team ready to help you. Enjoy your stay.